Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 potential altcoins to buy on this potential bull market run that we've been seeing in the past 24 hours or so. So ever since last week, we've been seeing Bitcoin move up, and that is causing the whole crypto market to move up as well. So right now, the market is up about 10% in the past 24 hours. Top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be AMP, so AMP. It is up about 48.89%. Highest volume, like usual, is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is up 13.5%, all the way up to about $38,500 right now. Ethereum is following right behind with 10% on the upside, trading at around 2,300. We have Binance Coin up 7%, Cardano's up 11%, Ripple 10%, Dogecoin even up 13%. Everything else seems to be up about 10% or so, with some being even up higher, like Polygon 22%. And then obviously we have some here like Theta, which are actually in the red. So the market is doing very, very well right now. Everything seems to be on uptrend, and this is a good momentum play. So we've been talking about this for a few days now, since last week when Elon Musk and Cathie Wood had their B word show, and we were saying that potentially crypto could continue to go on up, and we might be getting back into a bull market, and that was what what we wanted to watch for the next few weeks, obviously, to see what's going to happen towards the end of summer now. And it looks like we could potentially be going into this bull market once again. Crypto might be back, guys. So before we get into this list, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers, guys. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are in the description. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you buying right now? And is the bull market back or not? Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin is going to be Chainlink, so LINK. This one is trading at $19.15. It is up 16.5% from lows of about $16 yesterday. It's been on an uptrend. So in the past week, it's up 23%. In the past month, about 13%. And then on the 1 year chart, 193% from lows of about $6.50 all the way to highs up here of 53. Then we made a pullback, obviously consolidated and made a lower low, continued the downtrend. So this little bump right now could be a positive catalyst for pretty much all crypto to continue their trend on higher. Finally, after a 2-month consolidation slash sell-off type situation, depending which crypto it is. So market cap 8.4 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.3 billion, circulating supply 441.5 million. So Chainlink is obviously an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So Chainlink has been performing very well in the long term. Obviously, if you hit here on the all time, it's up over 10,000%. So if you would have invested in this one in September of 2017, you would be up over 10,000%, which is just extreme gains, obviously, as it was trading around 17 cents or so back then. So that was a great buying opportunity, and even with the big boom that we had in 2017, this coin was still very, very cheap compared to where it is right now. We pretty much saw most of these gains happen in 2019/2020, pretty much. That's when everything started to boom in the crypto market right here again, and we hit these highs very quickly in 2021, made this pullback, and now we're hoping to come back to those highs in the future once again, and we're going to be looking for this rally potential. So Chainlink is going to be the first coin. Now the second coin is going to be Solana, so SOL. This one is trading at $30.47. It's up about 13.7%. From lows of about $26 or so. In the past week, this one's up 13.9%, past month 6%, and then on the 1 year chart, over 1,841%, all the way from about $1.78 last year. We hit highs here when the whole renewable energy or renewable type, green coins, I guess you could say, were getting, hyped. So it went here from about $42 all the way to highs of about $58 here in May. Then it pulled back down to about $24. We consolidated up and down pretty much between that range of $24, $25 to about $40 back and forth. And then we made a new low down here about $24. And now we made this bump. So market cap 8.2 billion on Solana. Volume in the past 24 hours at 638.7 million, circulating supply 272.6 million. Now Solana is obviously a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. So Solana, definitely one of those greener coins. If you actually guys go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel, you guys will find a video where I talked about, I believe, 6 greener coins for the future. I have a whole video about that. That video did really well. So if you guys want to go, just go search it on my channel and you'll find it. Just type in 6 green altcoins and you'll find that on my channel. So that is going to be our second altcoin. Now the third altcoin is a very popular one, so most of you guys should be familiar with this one. It's going to be Binance Coin, so BNB. This one is trading at around $319. It was at $292 just yesterday. It's up about 7.6%. In the past week, 5.5%. And then on the 1 month chart, it is up 13.37%. And I mean, 13% in a month, that's something that you would see in the stock market in a year. So stock market doesn't move, as volatile and as risky as these coins. So a 13% return for a year would be great. So in 13 or in 1 month, that is a great return. So 1337 elite right there, guys. So 1 year, 1500%. So it was trading at around $20 last year. Hit highs up here of about $690. So since then, we're actually still down over 50% of our market value. So this coin was around 100 billion coin or 100 billion market cap. Now it's at 53.3 billion market cap. Volume in the past 24 hours at around 2.2 billion. And then obviously the circulating supply for Binance Coin is at around 168.1 million. So Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So Binance is obviously one of those coins that is a little bit on the higher side. That's something we always talk about. Always follow these large cap coins, because usually whatever the large cap coins do, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, even Binance Coin is a kind of a high market cap at 53 billion. Whatever the large cap coins do, usually the mid cap and then the low cap stocks or low cap coins tend to follow the same trend. So they'll follow that same pattern. So if the large cap coins are up, the low cap coins will follow suit, and usually they're up even more compared to where Bitcoin or Ethereum are. So if Bitcoin's up 7%, most of these altcoins are going to be up 15 or 20%, because that's just how the crypto market works. The risk and the volatility is insane, I guess you could say, in the market. And you always have to be very careful when you're trading these coins. Now, obviously, guys, I always say I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So, before you invest, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, because it's a high risk, high reward type situation. The crypto market, the volatility is insane here. You can lose a lot and you can make a lot in about 24 hours, depending on which way the market goes. So the fourth altcoin we're going to talk about is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic, another very green coin that we've talked about on the channel many times. One of our probably top 5 coins on the channel that we love is going to be Polygon. So this one is trading at $1.08. It was just trading at 88 cents, yesterday. It's up 22%. So this one's making a huge run. In the past week, 35%. And we've been talking about this one for a few days now. It hit lows down here of 62 cents or so. So if you bought at that low, you would be up over 40% at this point. In the past month, this one is up about 3.26%, as it did have a little bit of a sell-off there. In the past year, the coin is still up over 100%, trading at 2 cents last year, which is just insane. If you would have got in last year in July for 2 cents, hit highs up here of over $2.68. So this coin was up over 10,000% or so in May. This is obviously when the whole green alternative renewable energy situation was going on. So it went from $1 all the way to $2.68. Pulled back down very quickly to about $1 again, and then came back up again to $2.20. And then ever since then, we saw it sell off, obviously, with the rest of the crypto market. But it was still trading at prices that we were trading at in May, because it's still over $1, and it was trading at around $1 in May. So we only pulled back a little bit because these coins were just overbought. They were overhyped, and they ran up so high that they had to cool off a little bit. And these past 2 months have been a great cooling off period, and dip buying opportunity for people to load up for the future if you believe in crypto for the next 10-20 years. So market cap at 6.8 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.5 billion. So Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So Polygon is definitely one of those top coins that you guys should always keep an eye out on, because you never know what's going to happen. Very low market cap, only at 6.8 billion. Plenty of room for it to grow in the future. I wouldn't be surprised to see Polygon trading at $10 or so in the next 10 to 20 years. So Polygon is definitely one of our favorite coins, guys. So those are the 4 altcoins. Now we're going to be taking a look and seeing what the rest of the market is doing, obviously, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's cover that as well. So Bitcoin up 13.5%. So last night, out of nowhere, I mean, we were an uptrend pretty much throughout the weekend, doing very well. When we made our video yesterday, we were trading around, 34,000 or so. Everything was nice. And then out of nowhere, there was no big news or anything happening at around 8 or 9 p.m. last night. The market just starts to boom. It went from 35,000 all the way to about 40,000 at one point here, ending Sunday night. So it was a really, really crazy uptrend. I mean, yeah, Amazon did talk about accepting Bitcoin eventually, but that happened like a few days ago. So I don't understand why it took so long for it to run up right there, if that was the news that caused that to happen. So if you guys know what caused the crypto market to boom, leave a comment below, because I'm still unsure what happened here. Then we pulled back a little bit, and we're consolidating around this 38,500 area now for the past 10 hours or so. So the market is doing very well. In the past week, Bitcoin's up over 21%, past month 21%, past year 286%. We're going to be looking forward to Bitcoin breaking through that 42,000 area resistance. If we can break through 42,000, guys, we're definitely in that uptrend, and we could continue to go higher and higher into the 50s potentially. So we need to break through the 42,000 area resistance, which we couldn't break many times we tried in the past 2 months. So that is the level we're going to have to look for, guys. 722.9 billion market cap on Bitcoin. So Ethereum is up 10%, guys. So that was a nice, gain on Ethereum as well. In the past week, it's up 24%, past month, 29%. Very nice returns on Ethereum. In the past year, 652%. So we finally broke out a little bit. This is a very good uptrend for Ethereum. Let's see if we can continue this run up and pass that 2,700 area. That is the level that we're going to be looking for with Ethereum, obviously. So market cap 274.9 billion on Ethereum, with the volume in the past 24 hours being at 24.2 billion on this one. So, Ethereum is obviously lagging way behind Bitcoin right now, but it can catch up very quickly, so I'm not worried about it. We still believe that Ethereum will be the number one cryptocurrency in the next, 10 to 20 years in the future. So Dogecoin, guys, Doge is up 13.8%, and this is what we're talking about. We said that Doge would go lower unless we saw a bull market run. If we see, the bull market, obviously all the altcoins, tend to follow the same pattern. So finally, Dogecoin started to, have an uptrend, and it's up almost 14% in the past 24 hours. It was trading around 19 cents, hit highs up here of about 23 cents. So in the past week, it's up 19%. Past month, it's actually still down 9%. So, the worst performing one out of the top 3. And then on the 1-year chart, up over 6,600%. Massive gains. Market cap 29 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours is at 3.8 billion. So very nice performance from Doge as well. So crypto market is booming, guys. Let me know in the comments below, what are you guys doing right now in the crypto market? Are you buying, selling, holding, or are you waiting on the sidelines? What's going on, guys? Smash that like button, guys, if you like this type of content. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.